So this is the 89T cartridge, and I purchased a new one. It's the AstAtic brand. It's the 78 and 33 and 45 RPM cartridge used on the Audiotronics 304A, which, from what I understand, this cartridge is used on many other units. And so I just wanted to show you what it looks like under a microscope, to show you the difference between a 1mm and a 3mm stylus. I'll show you both the used one and the new one, and I don't think there's much comparison because they both look good. So let's do that. Alright, so removing the 89T cartridge, it's pretty simple. Hope you can see this. What you do is you grab it on both sides and you pull straight out. Alright, so I got a different angle. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to grab it and pull straight out. Here we go, and that's it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can focus, but I'm going to show it to you on a microscope to show you what it really looks like under a microscope. Alright, so this is the new cartridge. It's the AstAtic 89T, and as you can see on this picture, the stylus is real close to the cartridge. It's the 89T. This is the brand new one I just purchased. But if you look at the old one, in comparison, look how much more it sticks out. Now, I don't know what these are made out of. Maybe someone can tell me. But I like the looks of the old one better. Only because it sticks out further. I don't know. But again, the new one may have maybe a different type of material. I don't know what these things are made out of. So, in comparison, this is what I used, the microscope. I bought that on eBay. And this is a closer picture of the stylus. Again, this is the newer one. And then that's it. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe.